Welcome back to the Car Collective. Today we're stepping into the world of ultimate luxury and power on wheels with the 2025 Brabus BigBoy Motor Home. This is no ordinary motorhome. Brabus has taken the concept of a home on wheels and elevated to a new level with power, comfort, and premium finishes designed for those who want to take luxury travel to the extreme. Starting with the exterior, the Brabus BigBoy is as bold as it gets. It's built on a rugged chassis that can handle just about any terrain you throw at it, making it ideal for off-the-grid adventures without ever sacrificing luxury. The aggressive design, with Brabus signature dark finishes, carbon fiber accents, and custom alloy wheels, gives it a look that's unmistakable on the road. This isn't just a motor home, it's a luxury fortress that turns heads and makes a statement wherever it goes. Under the hood, the BigBoy comes with a powerful turbo diesel engine tuned by Brabus to ensure it has plenty of torque to conquer mountains, highways or city streets. The upgraded suspension and all-terrain tires give you a smooth and controlled ride, even over rough ground, so you can travel comfortably no matter where you're headed. The combination of power and durability makes it perfect for long-haul adventures with no limits. Inside, the Brabus BigBoy takes comfort and style to a whole new level. Every inch of the cabin is designed with high-end materials, from custom leather upholstery to brushed aluminum finishes and ambient lighting. It's equipped with a spacious living area that includes reclining leather seats, a full kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, and a sleek, modern bathroom. The master bedroom at the back offers a plush, king-size bed, complete with storage and entertainment options to make it feel like a high-end hotel room on wheels. For tech, the Brabus BigBoy is loaded. A central control panel allows you to manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with just a touch. The advanced infotainment system connects seamlessly with your devices, and Wi-Fi capability keeps you connected wherever you go. And of course, there's a premium sound system that brings concert-level audio quality to your travels. Safety features are extensive, with Brabus incorporating advanced driver assistance systems to make navigating such a large vehicle easy and secure. With parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, the BigBoy is as smart as it is luxurious. The 2025 Brabus BigBoy Motor Home isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice for those who want to explore the world without ever leaving the comforts of luxury behind. It's built for adventurers who don't compromise and expect the best of the best. Thanks for joining us on the Car Collective. Let us know in the comments if you take the Brabus BigBoy on an adventure, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and automotive content.